In the pandemic, the peer council was invaluable. We were all scrambling, trying to figure out what was going on, how long it was going to impact our businesses, dealing with trying to understand the various government support programs that were coming out to help us, EIDL loans and PPP loans, and everybody was sharing information with one another to help us in our knowledge. Different members were attending webinars and then sharing the information in the peer council. It was a place where we got a lot of valuable business information from each other. But even more importantly, we got a lot of business support and emotional support during a time that was really quite frantic for many of us who were small business owners. Valuable the peer council was to all of us during that time. Things were changing every day, and we had to keep up on top of it all. And going weekly allowed us, as I said, to connect, to share information, and to be there to support each other during a time of great stress. I mean, as business owners, we're really in the middle. You know, we cannot share what's going on in our businesses with our employees in terms of, I mean, you can share certain information, but other things you have to keep close to the vest. You may not want to share it with your life partners because it's quite stressful and you don't want to put them through that. So the peer council members, we are each other's support during times like this. And it helps on a personal level and also absolutely on a business level.
You guys have shared with me the opportunity of some of the resources through the state of California. Specifically, one that has benefited us the last 3 years is the research and development. There's also a lot of training that we get that we've been able to reach out. Again, there's a lot of stuff that's going on in our day-to-day business, but we don't have the resources that somebody like CMTC can help a small business like myself. Areas that it really assisted us is that it kept us in touch on what was going out there. We were hearing a lot of information, I want to say false information out there. You guys were able to assist us and tell us what was really working, what was not. And basically on the PPP program, you know, what was available for us and how to help us and a small business. It was really, really beneficial, and you can't put a dollar amount to it, but there was a big benefit for us as a company.
Every business has struggled in so many different ways, from, you know, payroll, how they're going to support their business. So, you know, PPP loans to PPP forgiveness, what people are doing in regards to supply chain issues or raw material shortages, how they're handling their employees when it comes to COVID testing or dealing with individuals that have gotten COVID. It's definitely been a struggle, but I will tell you, we have come together as a group and supported each other immensely, shared ideas. So it's definitely been a huge value to have that support system.
Thank you. And we did pivot to go from monthly meetings to weekly meetings. And what did that mean for you and your company to have that on a weekly basis?
It was great, just because of how many, you know, unforeseen problems would constantly pop up. CMTC always has the ability to bring in the right speakers to help support businesses. They help, you know, with special grants out there. So
it's really nice just to know that I'm not by myself. I mean, it was obviously just a weird time for everybody, whether it was personally or especially business, everything. I mean, everything was weird and different, but we all had the same things. And it was good to hear from other people just that are like going through the same things. Gosh, every time I'm in the meetings, everyone else has I feel like they have so much more wisdom than I do because they've been in the business or been working for so much longer than me. Even though I've been here running my shop for 10 years, I'm still learning from everybody else, you know, with 25 years, 30 years experience. And for me, it's really beneficial to get insights and get information and knowledge from people who've been around a lot longer. They've seen a lot more happen in their lives. and I'm able to learn from them so much faster than if I was just on my own right now. It's just good to know that someone's got your back in the industry. It's good camaraderie. It's a good place to be, and like I said, just learning from everybody is huge.
Yeah.
Just being part of the peer council has been great, but especially during the pandemic when things were changing, there was so many unknowns out there, and nobody really had an idea of what was happening. So, I love the fact that we're able to jump from once a month to the weekly meetings of getting together and at least talking about all the challenges, PPP loans, how to apply for it, the requirements, or keeping, employees safe and best practices, what to do, how to try to social distance or create, workspaces in your facility. So all of that was just invaluable. And I mean, every time we met, we just had a bunch of information and communication back and forth from our team.
During the pandemic, everything was changing, up in the air. Seems like all the rules, regulations, and everything was changing by the day. And it was nice to have a group of people that, we were all supporting each other, helping each other, try to keep on top of what's the best practice for staying safe at the workplace, how to connect with people while we can't connect in person, tips and tricks of using Zoom better, reaching people and being able to get things done and continue on with our businesses as things were changing at a rapid pace. It's important to know that you're not, alone, that you're not on an island, and there's other people that are going through the same battles and going through all the different problems that you're going through, and being able to connect with them and share solutions is very comforting, and it's also very productive. It really helps shorten the gap to getting answers to questions and networking, and just bringing the whole manufacturing community together.